Hey guys, I just want to give you a quick training today on how you can actually make your drop cards with this particular site called bestmoneycard.com. And also, I just want to let you all know my allergies are acting up, so just bear with me, okay? So, in order to add an image, you just click Add Image, and you can upload pictures from your file folders on your computer. Okay, so I already have some pictures set here that I have uploaded. I'm just going to choose one. You have to give it a chance to upload, and then you can adjust the picture by clicking the arrow on the side. You can rotate the picture by using this little arrow up top. I don't know what this is for. I have never used that button before, and you can delete the picture by clicking the trash can. So I'm just going to make this smaller. And I'm gonna try to make this video really short, guys, because if you're like me, you have a short attention span. Um, so I like that for right now. Um, Also, if you want to add text, just click on Add Text, and I'm just gonna add something right here. Just click on Add, and you'll see a box come up with the text that you've just written. Click on that box. You can drag it and move it anywhere you want. Okay. I'm gonna put this at the very bottom. And let me show you guys how to make it change the color and all of that. So what I want to do is just click in the box, double click it. I'm going to highlight all of the text. I want to make this bold, and I want to change the color to red. Okay, so I'm going to click right here to change my color, and I want to make this kind of a darker red. So just click around until you find the shade that you want. And then I'm just going to click the shade right down here again. It's going to save the color. Now I want to make this smaller. So I'm just going to click on the box so I get my arrows. And to change the font size, you can click the arrow right here and just adjust it. Okay? To make your text smaller. And then I just want to drag it. I want to move this whole box down to the bottom right here. Okay? Now, if you want to center it, you're going to come down here. This is where all your settings are to adjust what you've written, okay, or your pictures. If you want to censor it, you click right here. It's just like Microsoft Word, guys. So I know you've used Word before, so same thing. If you want to align your text to the left, you click this, center right here, to the right, right here. Also, if you want to make it bold, you want to click right here. If you want to italicize it, click here, underline right here. To change the text size, you can click here, the font size. To change the font itself, you can click right here. To reset everything, click here. I've never used these buttons at all. You can crop your picture right here and of course change the color here. Okay. So like I said, you add the image here, add text here. You can save what you've done by clicking here. You can add a title if you want, but you don't have to. You can just simply click save and it'll save it. So you obviously want to make sure that you save your work once you're done. And to see all of the drop cards that you've saved so far, just click this up arrow right here, and that'll pull up all of your designs. Okay. So guys, if you're interested in these drop cards, just come here to bestmoneycard.com. Okay, and you can actually set up your account. For right now, they have a discount where you can get a $5 coupon if that is of interest to you. All right, so thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next video.